Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to transfer an IRA to Fidelity. By the way, if you live in the US and you want to save money for your retirement, I have a free gift for you later in the video. If you are moving your retirement account from another brokerage into Fidelity, the process is called an IRA transfer or rollover, and it is designed to move your funds securely without you having to withdraw them yourself. The first step is to open a Fidelity account if you do not already have one and make sure your IRA account type is set up correctly. Once that is ready, log into your account. You will need to go to the Transfer or Rollover section inside your account dashboard, where Fidelity guides you through moving money from another institution into your IRA. Next, you will be asked to provide details about your current IRA provider, such as the name of the firm, your account number, and the type of IRA you currently hold, whether it is a traditional IRA, Roth IRA, or another eligible retirement account. After that, you choose how you want to transfer the funds. In most cases, a direct transfer is recommended, where the money moves directly from your old provider to Fidelity Investments without you personally withdrawing it, which helps avoid taxes or penalties. Once you submit the transfer request, Fidelity typically contacts your current provider and initiates the transfer process on your behalf. You may need to verify your identity or confirm the request depending on the other institution's requirements. After everything is processed, your IRA funds will appear in your Fidelity account, and you can then choose how to invest them based on your financial goals. It's important to make sure you are not doing an indirect withdrawal unless necessary, because moving the money yourself can trigger tax withholding or penalties if not completed correctly within the allowed timeframe. A direct transfer or trustee-to-trustee rollover is usually the safest and simplest method. For more details or to start the process, you can visit Fidelity official website, where they provide step-by-step instructions and support for IRA transfers. Also, these days, many Americans are looking for alternatives to traditional retirement accounts. But did you know you can legally buy physical gold coins as part of your retirement savings? It's called a gold IRA, and most people don't even know about it. If you want to learn how it works, I've linked a free guide from Augusta Precious Metals in the description below. It's packed with lots of useful information, so check it out. If you want to learn more about Augusta Precious Metals and how they can help you set up a gold IRA, there's a detailed review that goes over everything you need to know. The video should be up on your screen right now, so just click it to start watching.